welcome to the River Warrior Studio. Today we're going to be focusing on the 6 movements of the spine to keep the joints lubricated and the muscles supple. Our first movement is called cat-cow and works with spinal flexion and extension. You'll want to scoot out towards the edge of your chair and have the feet firmly planted on the floor. You begin by slowly rocking back, tucking the tailbone and the chin, and then coming forward with an open heart, squeezing the shoulder blades back and down. So you're just going to move back and forth here a few times, getting used to this movement. As you come forward, you want to make sure to keep the chin level, so we're not lifting the head up into hyperextension. Then beginning to layer in the breath. So as you come forward, everything is opening. You'll want to take a breath in. And as you roll the hips back, you're squeezing the breath out. So breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. So here you have flexion and extension. Next, we're going to move into a lateral movement. So you let the arms come down by the sides, keeping the lift and support of the spine with the navel moving towards the back, and just moving side to side. Now remember, the spine is the main focus of this practice, but you could certainly incorporate the arms here too, flowing them up overhead if you like, keeping some energy in the fingertips. And if this upsets your shoulders, you can keep the arms at shoulder height. So finding a place where this feels best for your body. Then we're going to move into rotation. So generally what happens is our brain wants to move first and it's just the head. Here you want to think about moving from the waist, the rib cage, the shoulders. If the neck hurts, you want to keep the head neutral, or you can rotate it as well, and then the eyes come in as well. So you'll keep the hands down at first, just rotating gently from side to side. I like to think of rotation as bringing out the breath. So as you exhale, you're squeezing out, and as you come in, you breathe in. Exhaling, twisting, inhaling, back to center. So here you could add in the arms too. You would inhale the arms up overhead, and as you exhale, you let them come down. And as you inhale, back to center. And you just continue with this movement. So same thing here. If this aggravates the shoulders, keep the arms down and just let one arm come out to the side and then the other. So here you have 6 movements of the spine. Please practice them at your own. You can do them for as long or as short as you want. Very easy to do at the kitchen table, at your office desk, even in a vehicle. So to review, we have flexion and extension, lateral side to side, and rotation. You want to pause at the end of your practice, taking a moment and just notice any effects from these movements.